I've been working at CAMLS under Dr. Kim's guidance since August 2025, and I'm leading the animation work in the lab. I mainly creating the animation in Blender and Unity. To start with, I didn't know how to use Blender, I didn't know how to use Unity, I didn't know how to code, and then I've been through a lot with Dr. Kim, and then now I know how to create the animation in Blender. Now I know how to preparing document required for IRB approval to conduct some study to collect the human data, publish some papers on our project. I remember back to August 2025, I looked up some faculty at Department of Medical Engineering. Somehow I saw Dr. Kim focus research about human computer science and then about 3D printing. I didn't reach out only her, I reached out to like 20 more faculty members at my department, and then Dr. Kim gave me a chance. She's still patient and guided me through everything. She encouraged me to like keep trying harder, and I'm here today and have this opportunity to present in front of people and connect with people, how they trying to bring their ideas into practice. Be resilient and be brave. And if you're really interested in what you're doing, you'll be doing really good at it, and keep believing yourself. A huge thank you to Dr. Kim to be with me, and thank you for giving me a second chance, and thank you for being awesome.